What exactly is cloud computing? In this video, we're going to explain this powerful technology. To understand the cloud, first, let's discuss the need for computing. Think about what's needed to make a business function. Businesses rely on computing, so they can do things like financial transactions and send emails. Before the cloud, businesses were limited in how they managed these tasks. They not only have to maintain their own hardware, but business growth also means they also have to scale it. This means more costs, more maintenance, and more complexity. In traditional, on-premise models, every new technology need means expanding the physical footprint. It means finding room and budget for more servers. Over time, server rooms became overcrowded, leading businesses to search for a more efficient way to manage their ever-growing technology needs. That's where cloud computing steps in. Thanks to high-speed networks, businesses no longer need to buy and manage their own hardware. Instead, they can rent the technology they need from providers like Google, Amazon, or Microsoft. This gives a business the same power and flexibility without the hassle of managing it all themselves. Take email, for example. Instead of setting up physical servers, a business can now rent the infrastructure from a cloud provider and access everything through the internet. This is called Infrastructure as a Service, also known as IaaS. The provider handles all the hardware maintenance, upgrades, and downtime concerns, while the business focuses on what really matters, which is delivering value to customers. By removing the burden of hardware management, businesses can focus on their core goals and priorities, rather than the distractions of maintaining tech equipment. Moreover, the technology solutions they provide us with are far more scalable, allowing practitioners to build relatively small environments and then to scale as needed. If you are truly looking to get ahead in these modern times, you must take the time to understand cloud's benefits. In reality, infrastructure as a service is only one type of offering in a whole range of service models. Learning more about them is the subject of subsequent videos and a big part of why this channel exists in the first place. And remember, if you enjoyed this content, I would really appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I'm your host, AI.